Hi, and welcome to Repo Gadgets again. This time I'm doing something a little bit different. These are the ingredients that I'll be using. Okay? I'm not going to be using them all, or it just tastes bad. Get it down there in the pan. The only thing I prepared was cutting the meat and getting the noodles ready. That's it. Now this part of it only takes a very short time. Good old-fashioned beef stroke me off. It takes very little time to do a simple job. Oh, hot water. I've never made anybody sick yet, but no telling. Hell, you could die from this shit. Yeah, time for the spices. You gotta pepper this beef or it won't do right. A little bit of salt. And just dry it out just a little bit. That's what salt does. It dries out meat. And this, a little bit of garlic salt. Not too much, just a little sprinkle. Let's see. Now it's just fry time. Get this stuff fried up. You can turn it on high heat or whatever, though. Still only takes about 2 minutes or so. There's more heat. Ooh, it's all fried. Use very little of this. It's a good brand, but it's very powerful. It gives me heartburn if I use the whole package, so I started experimenting. This I use very little of, just to give it enough oomph. And the flour, it will come up here in a second. And believe me, by the time I'm done with this meat, it'll be fully cooked. This is flour. Just a little bit. Just enough to soak up the oil that I put in the pan. Let that sizzle a bit. And then I take my stroganoff. I put very, very little in it. Very little. Don't put the whole package in it. You'll end up with a glue. My enchilada stuff. Same thing. Very, very little. Just enough to color the top. Get sugar in there. And then good old-fashioned water. Got a cup. Yep, just add water. Keep it from sticking from the bottom. It'll come loose after you're done, so don't worry. As long as you use a stainless steel pan like I am using right now. And I just added about, I don't know, a little bit of water. You know how to make gravy, you can make this. This is exactly the same, except you fry a little beef. And it will thicken up real quick. Real quick. Pretty soon I'll have to change utensils to a spoon. Okay. I'm done with everything. This needs to simmer for a second. Oh, look at that. That looks delicious. I think I'm done with the water. Okay, they're just green beans. Messy. I'm trying to make this as realistic as possible. Instead of all that fake stuff on YouTube. Nah. I'm not all about that. No. What is it? Been 5 minutes or so. This stuff should be starting to thicken up. As soon as that flour cooks, you get like a nice little gravy. And this, my can opener didn't want to work right. Just put it in microwave safe bowl, put a little salt in it, and you're ready to go. A little salt. Let's just throw it all over the floor. Watch what it cooks next. Like for 3 minutes. And this is off. This comes over here. These are my noodles. Dump all that in there. Grab a big spoon. Put more pepper in it. I like pepper. Pepper's good for you. And this meal takes as long as it takes to cook the noodles. The meal is done. And just as easy. Okay. Grab a plate for demonstration. I'll show you how it looks after. Holy crap. Who did these dishes? Oh yeah, that was me. Oh. Okay. Green beans still going. This is still going. My noodles are soft. Cooking. Everything's getting hot. Get my salad cream ready. And please, when you're doing stroganoff, do not put the sour cream directly in the meal and mix it. Put it after it's done. Put it on the plate and then put a little dollop of Daisy on top of it. Now, everything's off. Always double check your stove. Even if you think you turned it off, double check it again, please. A lot of fires started with this kind of thing. And ball of Daisy. Beef stroganoff. There we go. There, because I'm going to use you again. And this will go back in the fridge as soon as I'm done. nice and hot. Where'd my spoon go? Oh, mix that up. Put that on the side. And voila. There you go. Beef stroganoff. In less than 10 minutes and 30 seconds. So beat that, you lousy chefs out there. Have some fun on YouTube. And stop hiding your talents, please. Good God, it doesn't take all day to cook beef stroganoff. Take a little patience, little know-how, yeah. And stay away from the damn spices. You spice things up too much. It hurts most of us' stomachs. It's like eating at a Chinese restaurant. Ew. Why would you do such a thing? Make it yourself. It's easy. Kimchi's a little hard, but, well, that's Korean, but still. So, out there on YouTube, I just made my first cooking video. Have fun with it.